everyone, welcome back to RTS and happy International Scrapbook Day, and welcome to giveaway number 2. Yes, so again, this will be an embellishment giveaway. The details will be listed below. Yes, you need to be over 18, you need to be a subscriber, of course, and USA only, and then also pay attention as to what the comment is that you need to leave below to be entered. Okay, so let's get cracking, let's get started, because we have some embellishments to give away. Okay, so up first is Studio Calico wood grain butterfly stickers. Yes, love love those. Okay, where do I start in this pile? We're sliding, we got piles. Okay, so we have Project Life 40-piece die cut shapes, very fun. That's in the giveaway. We have more Jenny Bolin chipboard. Look at these. Oh, they look like Amish quilts. Love them. You can do a lot with those. And then we have some post-it notes. That's always fun to have in your space. We have some illustrated faith. We have some crosses. And then you could also do X's and O's. Love, people. Love. That's what we're doing. Okay, so we have Paper Studio. We have, how many is this? 78 pieces of gold foil stickers. Now, you know how I love my word stickers. Had to put some in here. I will cover that up. Probably a little bit of a glare there. Yes, okay. And then we have some paper house. We have some stickers. These are kind of like puffy. Not kind of puffy. They're just awesome. Yes. Explore, fun, smile, hello. Hello. Yes, come to mama. Okay. Now we have Bow Bunny. We have these double dot jewels 86. These are just wonderful to have in your stash. Just beautiful. Okay. So now we have more Studio Calico cameras in the turquoise and the blue. That's always fun to have. Another Dear Lizzie bow embossing folder. Yes. I love this. I found several of these in a store and I picked them all up because I thought, you can never have too many bows. No, no. Okay, so now we have Fancy Pants sticky note set. This goes with something else, I think. We'll see. Okay, and then we have some American Crafts, some puffy stickers. 71 in this set. Look how many. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, now we have Studio Calico, a mix of sequins, a whole bag of those. Definitely get the color in. We have Simple Stories Carpe Diem. Look at this washi tape. This says Nature's Hike, but it's just a beautiful color. You can use it for anything. Webster's Pages polka dot bows. Do I need to say anything else? No, I don't think so. And then also it says Open Me. How cute is that? Oh goodness, look at that. Open Me. Oh, that's cute. You could absolutely use the packaging for embellishments. Yes, look at that. Awesome, awesome. Good job, Webster's Pages. Okay, so we have more Creative Cafe in the puffy butterflies in the felt. These are a beautiful blue. That blue is hard to find, I think, but it's becoming popular. Okay, we're spreading out here. More Studio Calico cameras, chipboard in the green. Very fun. Yes, very fun. And we have Illustrated Faith, some more label stickers. Love using label stickers on my pages. And then we have Fancy Pants, another stamp set. Of course, you make me happy, so we had to put that in there. Okay. And then we have some bling bling, some more We Are Memory Keepers, 45 of those dark rhinestones. Okay. And then, of course, another roll of this Jelly Bean 30 feet craft tape. Okay. And it says Memories were made today. Sign me up. Yes, I love that. Love that. Okay, more Jenny Bolin chipboard. Okay, you can do a lot with those. Ink, stamp, distress. Just have fun. Put thread through them. More Bow Bunny double dot jewels. I mean, that is girl power, baby. Yes. And then, of course, We Are Memory Keepers enamel shapes. Geotags, triangles, circles, hearts. Doesn't get any better than that. No, not when it comes in yellow. No. Okay, so now we also have, like I did in the last one, I have this Heidi Swap Remember chipboard. I'm sorry, wood veneer. And we're going to pray to the good Lord above it does not arrive broke, okay? Because I brought one home and it was broke in my bag. Yeah. Okay, and so I have some glassine bags to play with. I have some Cambridge doilies to play with and some of these manila tags to play with as well. Okay, then, like we did in the last one, we're going to get crazy. Okay, now I have a whole photo box lid of the same thing I did in giveaway number 1, except these are just probably in different colors. So we have Bow Bunny, wood veneer hearts, we have KI Memories epoxy stickers, Amy Tangerine leather bows. That is cuteness right there. And Chamel, this goes with the Starshine collection, flare, shaped paper clips, wood veneer, Dilutions paper clips, Studio Calico shaped paper clips, a Hall Pass, American Crafts. That's mega. I guess people would use them in planners. I don't know. You know, you could absolutely bend that and use it as a fish hook. Yeah, you never go hungry. And then we have some Heidi Swap bows, paper flowers. I mean, just fun. Just fun, embellishment fun. And then also, too, I have a box full, this little container full of faux chipboard, and I will have the video linked below how to make faux chipboard. It is so fun, so quick. It's kind of addictive, and I do this on trips. And so I did some Mickey heads recently, and some clouds, some gold foil hearts, big butterflies, and all these circles and small butterflies down here. Now with these small shaped one circles, you could take your crocodile or your glorified hole punch, as I call it, and you could put 2 little holes in there and make these faux chipboard circles into faux chipboard. But put some twine in there. Just have fun. Yes. Okay. So that is the giveaway here for giveaway number 2. Just fun, fun. Fun in the sun, baby. Absolutely. Okay. So what do you have to do? Read the description box below with the details. Must be 18 or over, USA only. Be a subscriber, of course, and leave a comment. Now, on this giveaway number 2, what do you need to comment on? What do I have? Oh, okay. I want you to comment on the most unusual item in your scrappy space or your scrappy tote. Your most unusual item. And so I was thinking the other day, what would I put for me? And so I would have to say, I have a back scratcher. I have a back scratcher, well, basically in every room, but I have a back scratcher in my scrapbook room because I got tired of having to go out to my kitchen drawer for my back scratcher, so I bought one and put it in my scrap space, and it just makes me happy. Yes, I have it right along with my Tim Holtz rollers, my rollers and my T-squares. That's where my back scratcher lives. Yes. Now I also had something else in my space at one time, and my little one made fun of me, and it was a bread box. You know, what you absolutely open and you put bread in, because I had one in my kitchen and I didn't use it anymore. So I brought it to my scrap space and I opened up that bread box and I would put in my dies and my embossing folders. And she said, "Why would you have a bread box?" I said, "It's organizing. Who cares what it is?" So at one time I absolutely had a bread box in my scrap space, and it was very functional and it was very pretty. It was white. Yes, it was very pretty. Okay. But my little one always made fun of me of having a bread box in my scrap room, but I enjoyed it. So please list below, what is the most unusual item you have in your scrap space or your tote? And let's just have some fun and enjoy this beautiful, wonderful hobby. So happy National Scrapbook Day, happy International Scrapbook Day, and come back to RTS because you never know what we're going to do. Bye.